Hi, I'm Matt with MaxTow Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what's included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included with the Boost vacuum gauge. It's available in a black and white face with a green display and a black and white face with a blue display. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm Boost vacuum gauge with a double vision analog and digital display and a brightness level button on the front. Also included in the packaging, a 3-foot Silicone Boost Line, 9-foot sensor harness, electronic boost vacuum sensor, a 5-foot power harness, a Boost Line T-fitting, an Inline boost filter, mounting bracket and hardware, a gauge visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at maxtow.com.